Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's G from Happiness and Crafting. I just wanted to do a quick video and show you, just to give you a quick flip through of the new digital kits that I've got out at the moment. Now I've got 5 of them, so I've been a little bit busy. I've been preoccupied with the Friday freebies really, because I love doing those and looking at all what you've made and everything. So I thought I'd just give you a quick flip through of these. We're going to start off with this one, which is the Vintage Men and Motors. Now I keep all my digitals in these brilliant plastic folders. These are just ones that I picked up off Amazon, and they are really good to keep all your digitals in. Well, I keep mine organised anyway. I try. So this is a great kit. As we know, it is difficult for to find things for men. It's really hard to you know, without being so flowery, as we like pretty things. So this one is really nice. It's just Vintage Men and Motors. So we've got some really nice tags here, and I was thinking for the tags, these would be really nice on gifts as well. So if you just made like a little gift card to pop onto a present, and also you could use the papers as a little bit of gift wrap. So if you had a smaller present, you could wrap it in some of the papers and use these as gift tags, and these ones here, and I thought they'd look really nice. So that's that one. And then we got these ones, so you could pop that onto a present actually, and then write who it's to and from. But they're really nice. So this is sort of like a map on there. So they're really nice colours too. So we've got a bit of text on here, a bit of script on here, and these are brilliant. I really like these because they're not too fussy, because we know men don't like fussy things, don't we? So look at these, these are really nice. So it's just a quick flip through, and wouldn't that look nice if you had a little present and you wrapped it up in a piece of paper, piece of this? I think it looked really nice. That one's nice too. And this one. So you get quite a few pages in this one. I'm not quite sure how many. But I think they're really nice. Like that. So I just want to do a quick flip through of them all. Like that. And again, I've got the little postcards. So I've done the 4 of them into smaller postcards, so you can make a greeting card with this as well, which was really nice. And that one, okay, so that's the Vintage Men and Motors. Let's pop that to the side. And then we've got this one, which is the Vintage Chubby Rose. Now this one, I absolutely love this one because it's a vintagey one, but it's quite a paley nice sort of one, if you know what I mean. Really lovely colours. Now we've got the 4 postcards, because I like to do the postcards on them as well. And look at these beautiful roses. So these ones just fold up because you've got like the line down the middle. And we've got this one, which is nice. There's lots of French writing on these as well. I didn't call it the French rose because these ones on here are not written in French. Some of them are French, so it's a bit of a mixture on here, but I'm just loving the colours. And these are some lovely little envelopes, and that you can use as a belly band, or you can cut it and make it into a pocket. We've got some beautiful tags which are lovely, and then we've got some lovely little envelopes here, and these are just some plain backing papers which you can actually print on the back of the pages as well. So I think they're really lovely. So gorgeous, lovely roses on there. And then we've got this one, and these. A little bit different to what I normally do, but I think it's a really lovely kit. So there we go. So that is the Vintage Chubby Rose. So I'll pop a link to them all below anyway. So this is what I'm going to show you what I've made from the next 2 kits. Now this one is the Grungy Rose papers, and also I've got the new one, which is the assorted journal cards. So I've used these 2 to make this, and I'll show you what's in that in a minute. So this is the Grungy Rose. So open them out. So 2 pages there. So we've got that one, got that one. These are just really nice, almost like backing papers, really, which you can use, which with the colours they sort of like blend in with a lot of my other kits as well, which you can use, mix and match. That's why they were ideal to go with the new kit, which is the assorted journal cards. But look at that, isn't that lovely? Love these. I don't think I've shown you this one before, but I may have. So that's the Grungy Rose, and then this is the new one, which is the assorted journal cards, and I absolutely love that. Look at that, and that gorgeous, these lovely shoes, really, really nice. So that's that one. So you get 45 journaling cards on this one, in 6 pages. So I'm absolutely loving these. They've got butterflies. We've got butterflies and birds and flowers, and those lovely shoes. Look at these beautiful birds on there. Absolutely gorgeous. Really do love this one. Bits of cotton everywhere, and look at that, beautiful. So pop that to the side. I'm going to show you what I've made here. So hopefully I'm in view. Let me just have a quick peek. Oh yeah, sort of in view. Okay, so this is just like a little file folder, which I got a bit of seam binding. That's one of the roses and lilies, it says there, and I popped a pocket with one of the postcards on there, and these are the ones that I've cut out, and they're just, I haven't done anything with them. I've just printed them onto white, it's 160 gram paper, and I haven't backed them or sewn them yet because I'm not 100% sure what I will use them for. And this just opens up. Let's open it up like that. So it opens up, so you've got 2 pockets here. So let me just make sure I'm in view. Yes. So I've got a little pocket here, and I've got this one here with the little lady on it there. And then we've got some little journal cards here, and they just slot in there like that. This one, these are the shoes, aren't they just fab? Love them. And we've got these ones, so I'm going to pop those into there. Got a nice bit of lace on here, and one of them there. This is just a little journaling bit here, which I've just popped a little bit of ribbon on, and you've got 20 pages in there. And I thought, you've got another pocket at the back, and I thought we could just tie it up like that, so it sort of like keeps it all together like that, and then you can just write in it, and then you just turn that over. And I've done another pocket here, and I've got the long tag here, or the long journaling card there, and then we've got all these lovely bits. Look at these, absolutely love them, really, really nice. So there's all sorts of different shapes and sizes on here as well. Well, not shapes, but lots of different sizes on there. And then we've got this one in the corner here. I've just actually rounded that edge off there, but I think these look lovely in here. And it's really easy little folder to make as well. I've just added little bits of fabric down through, and then we turn it over. And on the back I've got 2 more pockets, and in the first one I've popped the smaller little tags. So we've got the little birds in there. These are just the smaller ones, and they're just so handy, and they sort of like go with all sorts of your journals, and it's nice to have lots of ephemera to go into journals as well. And this one, look at these this way round. Beautiful butterflies and flowers and birds, all the things that we like. Beautiful swan there, and then we've got beautiful postcards. So that's what I've done with both of the papers. So I've actually covered it with this one. This is the Grungy Rose, which is behind, so I've covered the front and the back of each piece of card. And I think it looks really, really nice. It's a really nice folder to pop all your bits and pieces in like that, and I've just got a bit of seam binding to do it up like this into a nice bow. So there we go. So that's what I've done with those two. Pop those to the side, and then the last one I've got are the vintage alphabet cards. Now I'm loving these. I've actually cut them all out ready, and we've got them in the smaller ones as well, which I think are really, really nice. So you get the bigger ones, and then we've just put them into a smaller sheet so you can cut those out, and this is what they come out like. I think they're absolutely gorgeous. Look at these. That's a plain one, which you can actually add one of the letters to over the top like that. You could actually, if you had some foam tape, you could actually lift it up so it's sort of got a gap underneath. Then we've got vintage, and then we've got all of the little letters, numbers and letters as well, and I absolutely love them, and they're brilliant. So we've got all of them out. What I've done, I've cut them all out and I've actually backed them onto a piece of card. I haven't sewn around them yet, so I'm not quite sure what I'm going to be using them for. So we've got these, and these are the numbers, because these ones I've used, I've made two lovely little journals. These are for my daughter and my granddaughter, Emily and Olivia. So I've done, oh, there's a little one there. So I've done two journals, and they're exactly the same, and I thought it would be really, really lovely for when Olivia's a little bit older. If they go on a little trip or somewhere, they can both journal in here at the same time and pop little notes in. So I thought they were really, really cute, and it's a really nice, if you find it difficult to embellish your journals, it's a really nice one just to pop on the front. You could put, if you had little ones like this, if it's somebody's 40th birthday, you could put 40 on there and their initials. So there's lots of different options you can do, but I thought they were really, really lovely. So there we go, guys. That's what I've been making. That's what I've been up to. So these are all the digital kits that I have out at the moment. So I've got lots and lots for you to choose from. So do pop over to my Etsy shop. As I do like to show you what I've been doing with them all, or give you a look through them so you can see them properly. So there we go, guys. Well, thank you very much for joining me. Have a lovely, lovely day, and I will see you next time. Alright guys, bye bye.